Welcome back. Time now for the business day. West Indies Petroleum Limited, WIP, has announced a landmark partnership with Sunoco LP, a leading energy infrastructure and fuel distribution master limited partnership operating in the United States, Puerto Rico, Europe, and Mexico to revolutionize Jamaica's marine fuel market. The partnership, which officially began on January 1, 2025, positions Jamaica to become a major marine fuel hub in the Caribbean region. WIP Chief Executive Officer Charles Chambers described the partnership as a definitive game changer for Jamaica's marine fuel sector. He says it will dramatically enhance the WIP group of companies' ability to serve vessels operating in Caribbean waters. Sunoco recently increased its Caribbean and Latin American presence through the acquisitions of Peerless in Puerto Rico and expanded their midstream and pipeline assets via the acquisition of New Star Energy. The company is also a leading operator of critical energy infrastructure in North America and is the continent's largest independent fuel distributor of branded and unbranded fuel, distributing over 8.5 billion gallons annually across more than 40 states and the Caribbean. The JSE market advanced by 129 points to close at 330,873 points, while the junior market index declined by 3 points to close at 3,699 points. Shares in Wigton Energy were most widely traded, accounting for 83% of all shares traded. The winners were led by First Rock Real Estate Investments US dollar share, Productive Business Solutions US dollar share, JMMB 7.15 preference share, Access Financial Services, and Indies Pharma. Declining shares were led by Regency Petroleum, Berger, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, Palace Amusement, and JFP. 15 stocks traded firm. Now, Dollar Financial has reported impressive growth in its fourth quarter results, with total income reaching $1.5 billion. This marks a year-over-year increase of $363 million, or 24%. Net interest income before expected credit losses totaled $1.2 billion, reflecting an increase of $238 million, or 19%. Profit before tax saw an 8% year-over-year increase, rising by $37 million to reach $482 million. The company's portfolio expanded significantly, growing by $1.55 billion, or 63% year-over-year, to reach $4 billion net of expected credit losses. Now, following foreign exchange trading today, banks and cambios are selling the American dollar for an average $158.18. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $111.10. $193.85 is the average value of the pound, while the euro will go for $167.23. And that's the business day. News from overseas after the break.